Alright, we are at the laser computer now, and we are going to insert the flash drive and see it pops up. If it didn't just pop up like this, you can go to this file right here and then find the E drive, and here we are. So I'm looking for emoji Stapleton, and I have everything up right here, and I am going to go into here, and I can see I got artboard 1, 2, 3, and 4, but I only need artboards 2, 3, and 4. So I am going to do file print, and the range is 2 through 4, and we'll hit print. And then we're going to go over here to the laser, and you can see, so we have green on the outside, red on the inside, green on the outside, green on the outside. Those are all getting cut, so that is correct. We're going to turn the laser on, and that makes the laser turn on, and you'll see the laser. It is going to home itself. You can see it's moving just very little bit, so it's getting its 0, 0 location. And once that is done, we're cutting paper, so we need to have the air turned on, and the needs to be set for a little bit below about 4 to 5 pounds. And we also need our vacuum on. Vacuum should be at 30% for paper. Alright, seeing we're going to be cutting our stuff right here. We have all the settings set up correctly. Alright, so the laser's booting up, so we'll go to engrave, so we're going to turn off all the colors. We're going to go over here to skip, set. Our red is our engraving, so we need that at 2%, so it doesn't cut through. Set that. Our green is at 30%, so it cuts through, and we'll set that. We'll hit OK. Now we need to move these over so they're able to get cut. And there we go. So all the settings set up correctly. We're going to put our paper in, our sheet, and you can see our sheet is in the upper left hand corner. That is the same place we have our picture up here on this one. We're going to close the door gently, and we're going to make sure that this light is not blinking right here. If that's blinking, it's not going to work, so you got to push down gently. It'll turn off. If it doesn't turn off, you have to kind of wiggle it over a little bit, push it from side to side, and then push down gently, and then the sensor will say it's safe to cut. And then we are going to hit OK. It will come over, it will first engrave, so you really can't see a lot going on there now. What is it? It is engraving where our parts need to be. After it's done engraving, it will cut. So remember, engraving is that light power, just so we know where things go. Now we can see it's cutting. When it's done, lift it up, take out our part. You can see that is engraved on there, and we'll do the rest, but not on video. Alright, we have all of our pieces cut out. We're just have to glue them together and see that in the next video. Now that we are done, we need to turn off the air. We need to turn off the vacuum filter. And we need to turn off the laser. And then we can close out. There we go. You're ready to cut.